Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will talk about how to make Google as your homepage in the Google Chrome. When you first download the Google Chrome, you might see a page like Bing or Yahoo. So for me, in this case, I have Bing. I wanna set up the Google Chrome as, and like let's say I want to hit Google and I want to see Google automatically is not Bing. So all you have to do is just click on this three dot all the way to the corner to the right side. So click on three dots and go to settings. Click on settings, and once you're in the setting, go down, scroll down to the page, and where it says search engine. And in the search engine, instead of Bing, you can select Google. And when in this open on startups, so click on, instead of open new tab page, click on open a specific page or set of page. Click on here, add a new page. So just type in www.google.com and add. So from now on you can close this. So since you put google.com, it will appear as Google every time you hit Google Chrome. It's loading. So as you can see right now, it's changed from Bing to Google. So it will set as default. So every time you hit Google, it will appear as google.com, not as Bing or yahoo.com. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up and see you in the next video. Take care.